Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 4 says, solve the following. The absolute value of 4x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 11. So in an absolute value inequality, I'm going to have two cases. The expression on the inside, 4x plus 5, could be greater than or equal to the positive version of 11, or the expression on the inside, 4x plus 5, would be less than or equal to the negative version of 11. If I have numbers larger than 11 and I take the absolute value of that, I'm going to get values larger than 11. If I have numbers that are less than negative 11, such as negative 12, negative 13, negative 14, etc., and I take the absolute value of those, I'm actually going to get a positive 12, 13, or 14, which would be greater than 11. And so that sets up my two cases. And now I'm just going to solve each of the inequalities. 4x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 11. The left and right sides are already simplified. And in fact, this is just a two-step. So I could subtract 5 from both sides. Negative 5 plus 5 is 0. 0 plus 4x is 4x. Greater than or equal to 11 minus 5 is 6, and then I'm just going to divide both sides by 4 in order to make the coefficient equal to 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1x. Greater than or equal to 6 divided by 4 can be reduced by 2 over 2 to give me 3 halves, and so x is greater than or equal to 3 halves would be the answer from the first case. In the second case, I'm going to subtract negative 5 from both sides, as I did in the first case. 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 plus 4x is 4x. And that's going to be less than or equal to negative 11 minus 5 is negative 16. And then I'll divide both sides by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1x. Less than or equal to negative 16 divided by 4 is negative 4. And so the answer to the second case is negative 4. I can also represent this on a number line. If I draw a number line and I put negative 4 and 3 halves on it to represent the two values that I have, x is larger than or equal to, so that would be a closed circle graphed to the right of 3 halves, and x is less than or equal to negative 4. Since it's equal to, it's going to be a closed circle, and since it's less than, it's going to be graphed to the left. And so I can represent my two answers, x is greater than 3 halves and less than negative 4 algebraically, and I can also represent it on the number line.